What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and the overall market. You guys saw I took a week off YouTube. Doesn't that show you I'm not all about the views, the hype? I don't do this for the money, guys. I do this because I do it for you guys, okay? Because we're changing people's lives that have entered the SoFi stock and took the company serious and learned about the fundamentals and know where this company is headed. And I know a lot of you guys want to know other things that I'm doing. Once again, inside of my VIP Patreon group, we are diversifying way out of SoFi into other names. We have been adding 11 stocks the past couple of weeks. 11 other companies that you have the opportunity to get in early. Some of these stocks I'm not even green yet on, okay? I just started DCAing in some of these companies. What if there's a 10x in there for you to change your life? What if there's a 15x? It could happen. You see the turnaround in SoFi, how quick it can happen. This is going to allow your portfolio to grow stronger, diversifying out into other high quality growth names. And we have one goal inside of my VIP Patreon group, and that is destroy the S&P 500. And that is exactly what we've been doing, guys. I'm going to take a look. What do we get? 20% returns, 15% returns on the S&P 500. I'm taking a look at my phone right now. 1 year, past year, 12 months, 713% gain. If I'm lying, curse me. I don't care. Curse me if I'm lying, okay? I'm telling the truth, 713%. If I'm lying, I hope God, curses me down. Because guess what? I would never do that. I would never lie in God's name. We're up 713%. That's the type of stuff we're doing inside of my VIP Patreon group. We're getting people's money right like you couldn't believe, guys. This money doesn't make sense. Why would you be invested in the index if you're under the age of 55 years old? This is what is out there inside of the market right now. And I want everyone to understand that. Click the link in my comment section, sign up for the VIP Patreon group, sit back. We're going to give you the greatest opportunities out there inside of the market. Let's get into the video. And as you guys can see, like I've been talking about, SoFi is breaking through that nasty resistance of $25, $26. We just broke through 27, all-time highs, 28.20, 28.30. We are heading to all-time highs. This wasn't even when the company was SoFi. This is when they were a pre-SPAC, IPOE. We are about to enter price discovery. We are about to enter the moon launch mode. We are about to go to the stratosphere. This is what you guys have been waiting for long time, okay? Stay diamond-handed because I'm telling you, management is waiting for the rate cuts. Once the rate cut happens, we are going to be getting some massive news with SoFi. Who cares what happens around rate cuts? If the market goes red Thursday, Friday, all next week, who cares? Take this as opportunity because we are going higher because earnings are going to grow faster. Companies are going to be borrowing capital cheaper and continue to grow a lot quicker. Now, this play right here, guys, this took a little bit of time to develop, okay? And I said squeeze the short sellers because that's what I told you was going to happen. And take a look at this, guys. This is the play we put out inside of the VIP Patreon group a little while ago. We did some DCAing on this play. 564% gain. We turned $7,000 into $45,000, okay? I said it right here. Leaps only. We don't do any day trading, weekly, monthly. I don't do that anymore, guys. I've been doing this for too long. Over half a decade now. I've learned my lessons when it comes to options trading. Look at this, guys. We bought these for $1.13 inside of the market. I told you guys I was buying. I bought a little bit higher and just DCA'd down when the market gave me the opportunity. These are trading for a blistering $7.50. This is what you're getting inside of the VIP Patreon group. Plays like this, okay? I'm going to be entering other leap options on other names I like after the rate cuts finalize and the market volatility slows down, and then we can enter longer term plays. So get inside of the VIP Patreon group. We got 11 other stocks we're buying right now. I'm telling you guys, we're going to change your life. You need to make the decision. Are you going after, ETFs and, indexes, getting your 20% return? Or are you under the age of 60 and want to go after these massive returns inside of the market in these crazy sectors inside of fintech, technology, AI, and get these massive returns where I'm getting a 700% plus return while the index is up 20%. 700% return in 12 months. That is exactly what we're doing. Leap options, growth stocks, diversifying the portfolio out. Nobody is doing this on YouTube. Nobody out there is doing what I'm doing. These are the facts. I told you guys at the beginning of the video, if this is a lie, God curse me. I just read this off my phone. These are the returns. These are the facts. Now, as it comes to SoFi, this is not the time to be selling. A lot of people are selling. This is not the time. Take a look at what is coming our way. No crypto launches happen. SoFi told you crypto is coming in this year, 2025. We are about to get an AI acquisition from what the CEO is saying. No acquisition yet. No rate cuts. We're about to get those. No loan platform deals has happened in a long time. No level 1 options. No cash coach. No S&P 500 inclusion, which is going to potentially happen at the end of the year in December. Nothing has happened. This is why SoFi remains the largest position in my portfolio, because I'm getting all of this very, very soon. Do you understand why I keep telling you guys this play was undervalued at 10, 15, 20, 25? We are about to enter price discovery once we break all-time highs of $28. Rate cuts are happening. Don't let the volatility shake you out. Continue to dollar cost average. This is where the big money is made. I'm telling you right now, we're going to destroy the short sellers. They're still 9% short on SoFi right now. All of these guys are going to get creamed over the next couple of months. Stay long, stay strong. This is the time to be buying or holding. Absolutely no selling. Now take a look at this. This is the Q3 revenue growth estimates by Wall Street. Every company below besides SoFi is a software company. Snowflake, 25, Zscaler, Datadog, CrowdStrike, ServiceNow, Synapse, Palo Alto, Trade Desk, Fortinet, MongoDB, Twilio. Look at this, guys. SoFi has the fastest growth rates out of 95% of software as a service companies. This is one of the fastest growing sectors on Wall Street, and SoFi is putting up faster growth. And I'm telling you right now, these estimates are wrong by Wall Street. I think there's a possibility we're going to hit a 40% growth rate. Back-to-back 40% growth rates. This deserves a massive multiple, okay? It's not about profitability quite yet. We're getting close to, measuring EPS pretty soon, but I'm telling you right now, SoFi is in massive scale mode on marketing dollars and adding members to the platform. This is the time to understand SoFi is going after growth, and it doesn't really matter about where EPS can go to, because EPS can go up to 500x, and it's going to gradually come down quickly, 400, 300, 200, 100, until it gets into a realistic level for the next couple of years. What do you notice about SoFi's marketing spend when you go back to Q1 2024, Q2 2024, Q3, Q4, Q1 2025, Q2 2025? They're turning it up every single quarter, guys. 167 million, 184 million, 214, 231, 238. And then we just had the best quarter in SoFi's history where everything changed last quarter, Q2. $264 million. This is what some companies are doing on revenue and getting 30 billion, 40 billion market caps. We're doing the same for our marketing spend as some of these companies are getting for their revenue, okay? That is the level that SoFi is on right now. I'm telling you, the higher this number goes, it looks like the higher the stock price is going for SoFi, because they know how to spend their marketing dollars. They are very efficient at where they spend their money. Once again, guys, Q3, we're in Q3. Q3's got 2 weeks left. It's going to be a monster. It's going to be out of this world. I think there's a possibility we're going to get a 40% growth rate and a 1 billion top line on revenue, okay? This is going to be a 4 billion run rate, and it's so early, okay? I think this company is going to go to 20 billion, 40, 50 billion in revenue over the next 5 to 10 years, okay? We are so early right now, and I'm telling you guys, it is going to take off pretty soon. Q3 is going to be a monster. Net income profitability. Look at what has happened behind the scenes. 2021, a $500 million loss. 2022, $300 million loss. 2023, $300 million loss. 2024, a $227 million profit. And then this year, we're looking at about a $400 million profit. But next year is where everything changes for 2026. We're looking at a $1 billion profit this early in the game. An estimate, $1 billion. That's 80 cents EPS. This is actually a fact. This is what management is telling you. 80 cents EPS. With the diluted outstanding shares, we're at about 1.2 billion outstanding shares. And you can see if you have an 80 cent EPS on the 1.2 billion outstanding shares, that's a $960 million profit. So I rounded it off to a billion. $1 billion profit next year. What happens if they crush this and hit $1.10? We're looking at a 1.3 billion dollar profit. This is absolutely insane. Look at the run rate Robinhood's doing right now. They're doing about 400 million net income. That's about 1.6 billion. Hey, they're a $100 billion market cap company. We could get to that level potentially next year on profitability. Look at the PE ratios of other companies inside of the S&P 500 right now. Tesla's getting a 220x. I'm not saying SoFi needs a 220x, but you can see what happens when people look at the future. Costco, 54x. This is a grocery chain with a subscription service. It's not out of this world growth rates. It has a moderate growth rate. AMD, this isn't even the top player in its sector, 91 times PE. Walmart's getting a 44 times PE. Do you understand valuations even in legacy companies with 5 to 10% growth rates are getting 50 times PE multiples? Take a look at the forward PE ratio of 80 cents EPS if we hit it, guys. If you get 150x, which is in the middle of AMD and Tesla, you're getting $125 stock price. If we get 100x, you're looking at about, where AMD is trading at right now. That's an $85 stock. And if we get a 50x, which is right around the same level as Walmart and Costco, we're looking at a $42 stock next year. So pick whatever you guys think. Drop a comment. What do you think SoFi is going to be headed for next year inside of 2026? Because I'm telling you, it's going to be one of these three multiples because we are a technology company. We're putting up 44% growth rate, growing faster than 95% of software as a service. Once again, guys, we are also diversifying out of SoFi. If you want to get 11 other stocks I'm buying right now and DCAing into diversifying the portfolio out, allowing me to get 700% returns, beating the S&P 500 by I don't even know how much. These are actually the facts. I pulled it up at the close today. This is on my phone. Once again, if I'm lying, God needs to curse me because, guys, I'm telling you right now, I do not lie. These are the facts. Sign up for the VIP Patreon group. We are going to change your life. I'm going to give you some growth stocks that are going to outperform the market. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock and also the overall market. If you're looking to diversify even further out inside of your portfolio, sign up for the VIP Patreon group. You will not regret it. Once again, we got interest rate cuts coming on Wednesday. Understand the volatility is going to be high. Just because the market is red doesn't mean anything, okay? That is where the market likes to shake you out. Earnings and EPS are going higher. Growth stocks are going to grow faster. Take it as opportunity. That's exactly what we're going to be doing this week. Be sure to sign up for the VIP Patreon. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Hope you guys have a great day.